guys, Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build. Today's episode we're here, Nissfest. Setting up SoCal Z's. Let's get to work, guys. At our meeting, and we have our groups. Cute ass shirts, look at that. So this is my post. I'm acting like I know what I'm doing. Yeah, that way. This way. That way. Oh, it's so cute. Ow. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Yo.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Rise and grind.
Oh, you want to blow a kiss to the camera? Oh my god. Damn. That's the OG kid, man. You're so cute. What's up, bro? What's up? Yeah. See that? I parked that. That was me. No, we parked that. I said it before and I'll say it again. OD best drifter photo drift, man.
Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate that.
You're like a real inspiration. I'm ever going for this. So you kill Long Beach. Can't wait for Irwindale.
Yeah, 2 more weeks coming back out here.
Yeah.
Sick. Well, thanks for having me.
Thanks, man.
Cool. See you guys.
Thank you. I love your work, man.
Oh, is that a camera?
Yeah.
Cooking soul.
Yeah. Tell her like, look, I'm just a nigga tryna see my cheese with Gucci loafs at the bottom of my PRP. So when I step, the bitches be like, who is he? I be like, Nip, hustle, baby, move with me. Now I could show you some things that you don't usually see. We could overlook.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. See you guys next episode. Peace.